Hi everyone. Last class we discussed about lists in HTML. Today we are going to discuss about how to insert images and how to insert links. Let's discuss about the major tags related attributes. Okay, I will show you the tags and attributes. After that, through a program, I will show you how to work on it. Okay. So the first topic is how to insert images. Okay. For inserting images in a web page in your HTML program, you have to use the tag that is img tag. Okay. img tag. The main point for this img tag is there is no closing tag for img tag. Okay, this tag img we are using for inserting an image to a web page. Okay, so let's discuss the major attributes related to this img tag. Only some attributes we are discussing here. The first main attribute of img tag is src. The next one we are going to discuss alt attribute, and next attribute align attribute, and finally we are discussing about height and width. Okay, so the main tag is img and the attributes related to the img tag, that is src, alt attribute, align attribute, height attribute and width attribute. Okay, so let's see the usage of each attribute. The first one is src attribute. src attribute means source attribute. In this attribute, you have to specify which picture you want to insert to your web page. The URL src equal to the URL of the image you have to mention here in double quotes. If I want to insert a sunset picture itself, you can give here in which drive, which folder, the file name, everything you have to mention. The full URL you have to mention here. Otherwise, if you are saving this image in a particular folder where you are saving this HTML program, if you are saving the image in that particular folder, you can specify here the name of the picture. That means if it is a picture of sunset, you can give here sunset.jpg. Okay, extension also you have to mention. Like that way you can mention the source path. Okay, so the usage of src is for mentioning the picture file name, otherwise the source of the picture. Okay, and the next one is alt attribute. Sometimes if you are facing a network issue, you can see if network is not there, if and when you open a particular website or a web page in your web browser, what will happen? Whether you can see any images? No. Instead of that, sometimes you can see a message will be there, like that way you can say. So, if it is not possible to show the image or insert the image into your web page, an alternative message you can display in the place of the picture. Okay, any message that you can add up within double quotes you can mention here along with this alt attribute. Okay, and the next one is align attribute. That means where you want to arrange the picture, that is left side. Okay, where you want to arrange the picture. Mainly the alignment values you can specify, that is top, bottom, left, right or middle. Okay, like that way you can, if you want to arrange the picture in left side, align equal to left, like that way you can give. Otherwise right, middle, top, bottom. These are the values that you can use along with this align attribute. And next one is height, width attributes. These two attributes you can use for specifying the height and width of the image. In pixel you can mention, otherwise in percentage you can mention. Okay, pixel means 100 pixel, 400 pixel, like that way you can adjust the height and width of the picture. So these are all about the how to insert an image. The main tag is img tag, and these all are the attributes comes under in this img tag. Got it everyone? Next we are moving to how to insert the hyperlink. What do you mean by hyperlink? Yes, when you open a web browser and search for something, you can see the websites, different website names will be available. And if you move the cursor symbol towards that particular site name, you can see a hand shape, isn't it? And when you click on that one, what will happen? It will redirect to another web page, isn't it? So like that way, in your HTML program, in your web page, while designing your web page, if you want to redirect from your own web page, if you want to redirect to another web page, you can use this hyperlink option in HTML. For mentioning the hyperlink in HTML, the tag we are using, that is a tag. Okay, a tag. And for this hyperlink a tag, you have to use the closing tag also. A tag or closing, opening a tag and closing a tag. Okay, and the main attributes here we are going to discuss. The main two attributes we are discussing, that is href attribute and title attribute. Okay, href. Okay, the important one is href. Without href attribute, we can't use this a tag. That is, along with this you have to specify a tag href equal to where you want to redirect. That particular web page address you have to specify here. So last class we designed a web page, that is ordered list, like .html. Ordered list.html, like that name we give, isn't it, that particular file. So if you want to move to that one, you can give here href equal to ordered .html, like that way you can use. Then what will happen? And inside that, if you are using list, then what will happen? This particular word list will be in a blue color, and if you are moving the cursor towards this particular word in your web page, then what will happen? You can see the hand shape, and if you click on it, what will happen? And if you click on it, it will be redirect to the web page order.html. Got it? So this is, for this purpose we are using the a tag for inserting the hyperlink. Got it everyone? And the title attribute also in your textbook, it's not that much important. If you want to give a particular title for the web page, you can use this title attribute. We already studied the title tag, not like that. If you want to give a title for the new document that we are linking, there you can use the title. For that purpose, you can use the title attribute. Okay, it's not that much important anyway. For making more attractive, you can use this title attribute also. Okay. Now I will show you through the program how to apply this, how to insert the images and hyperlinks. So let's move to the program. Let's start the program. First of all, you have to open the notepad. After that, HTML program. After that, head, then title, inline images. What do you mean by inline images? That is, images we are displaying in line with the text. Along with the text, if we are mentioning the images, that is known as inline images. Okay, but I will show you how this image will come, then it will be clear for you. Okay, so what will be the next step? That is body. You have to type the tag body tag. Okay, inside that, if you have any line text, if you want, you can enter here. Otherwise simply you can insert, if only picture only you can give the picture. Here in your textbook example you can see the sentence, that same sentence itself I am typing here. I am going to put an image. Okay, now we are going to insert the image. So which tag for inserting the image? IMG tag. If you are simply giving IMG tag, whether you can insert the picture? No. Along with the IMG tag, it's compulsory you should give the tag SRC, which means the source of the picture. That is SRC equal to, in double quotes you have to specify the name of the file along with the extension. For that the method is, first of all you have to save a particular image in your file where you are saving. So last class we created a folder HTML in the desktop, isn't it? Open it. Okay, here any pictures are available? No. So from your system you just take a picture. Okay, any picture you can choose, no matter. So let me take this one, penguins. Okay, take a copy of this one and move to your folder. Okay, save that picture here. So now we save the picture in our folder where we are going to save the HTML file. Okay, don't forget the folder where you are saving the HTML program, there you have to save your image. So here I saved the penguins, that image I just saved. And if you are moving the cursor towards that one, you can see item type JPEG image. That means this image is an JPG image. And one more thing you have to be take care, that is the name of the picture, that is penguins. So first letter is capital and other all in smaller. The same way itself you have to type in your SRC. Okay, so take the copy, better you just take the copy of the name and move to the program and you just paste it here. Okay, after that don't forget to give the extension JPEG. Then close the double quotes. Okay, and close the angle bracket. Got it? And here one more sentence given here. Let me type it into middle of the sentence. Okay. Then after that, whether we want to close the IMG tag? No. For the IMG tag, there is no closing tag. Okay. So let me close the body tag. After that, which one? After that, you have to close the HTML. Okay. Okay. Then what will be the next step? Save this program. Save. Where we have to save? We created a folder HTML. There you have to choose that one and you have to save. Here let me give the name inline dot HTML. After that press the save button. Okay, then how you can run this one? Open the folder and then what you have to do? Double click on the file. See, down I am going to put an image, then along that particular line itself that image inserted in your web page, then into middle of the sentence, that means this particular middle of the sentence you can see the image. Got it everyone? Okay, so these all about the SRC. Okay, and here you can see this one is a very too big image. Then what we will do? If you want to make it a smaller one, for that purpose you can use the tag height and width. Okay, height and width attribute you can use. Okay, so let me give the height and width of the image in here. So inside the angle bracket itself you have to specify the attributes. So height, height equal to, you can give any height you can give. So let me give 50. Then width equal to 50. Let me give. Then after that, don't forget to save it. Then open the browser, then refresh it. See the size of the image reduced. And here itself you can see along with the line itself, see the where this particular image comes along with the sentence. Along the normal text line you can see the image. Got it? That is the height and width attribute of the image. And next attribute we discussed, that is alt attribute. What do you mean by alt? I told you, instead of the image, if you want to give the another message, you can use this alt attribute. So let me give here alt. That is, if any problem occurs, network issue or anything happen, if the program can't load that particular image to your web page, at that time alternate message will be shown. Okay. No, let me give the message no network. Okay, I just give this particular one, and let me change make some mistake in the image, and only it won't be displayed now. Let me make mistake. After that, save it, then refresh it. See, instead of the name is different, it's not a proper name I gave. That's why without, if the system, if the web page can't load that particular image, they just show the message no network. Okay, the image is too small, that's why this much only you can say no network. Got it? So alternate message if you want to show in your web page, instead of the image you can give the option, otherwise attribute, alt attribute. Okay, so let me give the same name itself. Sorry, it's in small letter, so you have to give like that way itself. Save it, then refresh it. See, so if they can load the image, they won't be show the message what we gave in the old attribute. Got it? And the next we discuss about the align attribute. That is where we want to keep the image. Here in the normal text line you can see the image. So if you want to change the alignment, you can use the align attribute, align. Okay, equal to. So which align you want, that you can specify. So let me give the right. And what will happen? See, R-I-G-H-T. I just give the alignment equal to right. Save the file, open it, then refresh it. And you can see that particular image on the right side of the web page. And if I gave this one in the middle, what will happen? File, save, open the browser and refresh it. You can see the middle, not in the normal text line, the middle of the line you can see arranged in the middle area. Okay, hope you are clear the difference between the alignment. Okay, so these about the alignment option, alignment attribute of the IMG tag. And if you want to make this image in the center of the page, what you will do? Another one tag is there for making the image in a center of the web page. You can use the tag center tag. So let me give after the body, if you are giving the tag center, and at last of this one also you have to close this center tag. Then what will happen? See the output, file, save, take it and refresh. It will move to the center of this particular line. Okay, in this web page, along this line, it move to the center. Okay, So for that purpose, you can use this sender tag. And next, if you want to start this particular image from a paragraph, like that way if you want, you can give this tag p tag, which means paragraph tag. Okay, so let me give this one here. Close the p tag after the image tag. Then what will happen? File, save, take it and refresh. But what do you mean by a paragraph tag? Paragraph, always we will start from the new line. It is in a sender tag. Inside the sender tag we mentioned the img tag, so that's why this one is the sender itself. After that we started this particular img tag from the p tag we start here. That's why this image will be moved as a paragraph. That's why paragraph means started from the new line. So it started from the new line. Okay, that is about paragraph tag, that is p tag. Opening and closing also will be there for the p tag. Got it everyone? These are all about how to insert the images. So now we can move to the next topic, that is inserting links. So here we started from the HTML tag and title we gave links and till body I wrote. After body what we have to mention for inserting the link, which tag? That is a tag. Start from the a tag and you have to close the a tag, isn't it? And in between, if you are specifying the a tag, along with the a tag you have to give the one important, otherwise major attribute of a tag, that is href. That means hyperlink reference, href. Okay, equal to where we want to redirect the web page. Where, so last web page we designed, that is inline, like that way we created one, isn't it? Here you can see inline, that particular file we created. So we can give here the same itself. Here you can give equal to double quotes inline dot html. Okay, and inside that I just specify any particular word. You have to click somewhere, then only it will be moved to that particular web page, isn't it? So here you can specify the word, that is inside the tag itself you have to give the text, otherwise it won't be in a blue color, otherwise it won't be represented in a hyperlink. So let me give here inline images. Okay, then after the a tag our program over, so close the body tag and after close the HTML. Okay, then save it, file, save, file name is, we can give the link, that's itself you can give the file name .html, then save it. Then how you can run it? Take the folder and then double click on it. See, you can see that particular word inline, and if you are moving the cursor towards it, you can see the hand symbol. Okay, hand shape you can see. And what will happen if you are clicking that particular word? See, it will redirect to the page. Which page we gave there? Inline, that particular web page file name we gave. That's why it opened that particular file name. Got it everyone? This is hyperlink. Okay. A tag, href, here you have to mention which web page you want to redirect, that particular web page name you have to specify here, whatever it is. If you want to give a particular site address www.lordsacademy.com, like that way you can give, but one thing, you need the internet connection, then only it will work. Okay, so like that way you can give. After that, which word? If you want to, when you click on the Lords Academy, whether you want to move, here you can, instead of this one, you can give Lords. Then save it, open the folder, double click it, you can see instead of inline images, here Lords. And if you are giving the href equal to www.lordsacademy.com. Then what will happen? If you click on the Lords, it will redirect to the web page of Lords Academy. That is particular website home page it will be displayed. Here we gave this inline.html, that's why it moved to this particular web page. Got it everyone? This is all about how to insert the link. Okay, very important one, images and links. Okay, read the lesson. Those who have, try to do it, the program in your system. And if you have any doubt, you can call me personally. Okay, so question answers I will give, copy it and study well. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.